Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have another package from Aliexpress, which I picked up the other day, and I was kind of excited to see what this is all about. And you'll see in a second what we actually ordered. It is a knockoff from Pandora, and as you can see here, it's a little sloth bead or charm, whatever you want to call it, for your bracelet. And yeah, I'm kind of excited to see how this actually looks, if it's similar to the original one. As you can see here, it is kind of detailed, definitely not bad at all, better than I thought it would be. You can see all the parts, the legs, the arms, the face, everything is nicely colored, nothing is messy on that part. And in the back there's also a little saying. Let's see if we can make it more sharp. Eh, come on. So, yep. Let's go. Come on. Oh well. Well, whatever. I will link the little beat in the description. You can check it out yourself. Um, and then you can actually see what it also says on there. And yeah, that's kind of what this is all about. As you can see, you can save quite a bit of money. I think I paid less than 10 bucks on this. I think it was like 4 or so. And compared to the original ones, which are way more expensive, it's pretty much a good deal, I would say. So yeah, feel free to check it out. That's gonna be it for today, you guys. So have a good day and take care. My name is Badger. I'm out, and until the next time, bye bye.